Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 25th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 25th week, it is important to take food which are rich in vitamin A, C and K. Tomatoes are an excellent source of vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which is crucial for a healthy immune system and the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants like lycopene, which may have protective effects against certain diseases. Some studies suggest that lycopene may help reduce the risk of preeclampsia, a pregnancy complication characterized by high blood pressure. Tomato shorba. Ingredients: tomato 250 grams roughly chopped, jeera, half a teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 of a teaspoon pepper powder, to taste, salt, to taste, coriander leaves, to garnish. Tomato shorba, for the 25th week. Let us see how to make this. First, blend chopped tomato in a mixer until smooth. Heat oil in a pan, add seeds and ginger garlic paste, pour in tomato puree, let it boil briefly. Now, mix in turmeric, red chili, coriander, garam masala, and black pepper powders. Add 2–2½ cup of water, simmer for a few minutes. Garnished with coriander leaves and serve hot. Tomato shorba offers nutritional benefits during pregnancy. Tomato shorba is a good source of vitamins, antioxidants, fiber, low in calories, hydration and minerals. Tomato shorba can be soothing for the stomach, especially during pregnancy when some women experience nausea or digestive issues. And then, hope you liked the 25th week pregnancy recipe video from Pragmatic. Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.